And as I want to introduce my group regarding our group discussion on the topic impact of social media on teenagers. Whether nowadays social media has a great influence in our day-to-day life, so it affects our life in either ways, positive and negative.
Yes, Rohit, I agree with you. Nowadays, positive means we can study throughout the social media and we can explore the world and we learn so many things about what is right and what is wrong. And also, it's it's have
Yes, Jahnavi, your way of you said that positive things are so many, but negative, it is impacting the youth negatively also. The youth is now attracting to the phone very much and doing so many negative things in the wrong way, like abusing, harassing, etc.
Yes, Soumya, but also if you keep on discussing about the negative points, it goes in a negative way. But there are also many positive uses. Means there are advantages in social media as well, and it also means not only education in many means the one who are not as much as upgraded means they're not skilled, they're not highly academic. They're also showing they're pursuing their talent, and they're showing their talent to the world through social media.
Yes, Rohit, I agree with you. And recently, model designing and also model designing also introduced into world like platforms like social media, YouTube, Instagram. These are going trend, and it's create history.
But the Instagram is the youth are addicting to Instagram in a wrong way. They're using time. They're using more time in seeing reels, but not studying.
But it always helps to improve our skills and talents in early age to improve our skills.
As by balancing the time, we improve our skills through the social media. Of course, it has side effects, but we can use properly. It might be good.
Yes, of course, lot of time is wasting in reels and Instagram, YouTube and
Yes, I
Yes,
agree.
also it's the time is wasting when you're not watching the reels which are not useful for you. It's also depending upon when you are using means when you're watching the reels which are useful to you. Either it's a academical way or something the way which you're pursuing it with.
Yes, social media is impacting on teenagers but they are not going outside and not doing physical activities and so many things.
Yes, Jashwant, I'll obey your point, but it also depends upon them on their mindset because there are also social media was also engaging them with doing some exercises like this social media. Many members means many celebrities also spread their how they the way of living with them. So it's also influenced their fans means the one who are following them.
As Rohit, we found so many hidden talent from physical persons,
Yeah, physically
physical defect
handicapped persons. Yeah,
persons.
yeah, it's also well known in the social media. Many people who are not who are physically handicapped also were
Yeah.
showing their hidden talents,
Yes.
and they're also saying that we're not different from you. We're
Yeah.
also equal with you.
Yeah. Who are not social media have an library in our phones and who are not pay for fees anything, we can study in our phones also.
But they are always using Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and stressing their brain and more strain and strain.
Throughout that we can learn also.
The way we are using is important.
Yes.
In their brain.
That's a good point. The way of using is also very crucial on on the way we are using the mobile phone and social media. If we use for our goodwill, it will also go. It will take the development of our career in life, and if it's not, it will go as it.
Yes, of course, we can learn about what's going on earth, it will about Mars, universe
Yeah.
studies also we can learn through the social media, and we can also crack the difficult exams like UPSC, JEE mains, SAT, like that.
Yes, I obey your point because the examinations which you have said like UPSC, it includes the current affairs which are already giving daily in our day-to-day life through social
Yeah.
media.
through the social media we can current affairs, we can learn current affairs and wars between the historical and what is going on past and present, and what would be the future of India and those countries who are participated in
I'm
UNO
sorry
like
to
that.
interfere you, but the main point of this is through social media we can learn a lot.
Yes.
Thank you.
So balancing the social media we can learn, and we it have a positive and negative effects also. By balancing the time and uh, balancing the fun and work, it's also stress relief. I agree with that, but balancing the each other we can use social media.
In a productive way.
Yes.
Thank you.